So it seems that banks are starting to get a lot more interested in the cryptocurrency space. And just recently, Mastercard announced that they will help banks offer cryptocurrency trading. So Mastercard is looking to make cryptocurrency payments accessible for the general public in order to make it more simple for banks to get involved. According to the corporation, Mastercard intends to introduce a program that will assist financial institutions in offering crypto trading. MasterCard will serve as sort of a bridge between the two, between banks and Paxos. And Paxos is a crypto trading platform that PayPal already uses to provide a similar service. So they kind of have some experience already there. Two major reasons, though, why banks have avoided this sort of asset class is number one, security, and number two, regulatory compliance. And MasterCard plans to partner with Paxos to handle both of those issues. So consumers have actually expressed some skepticism regarding this subject matter. The largest digital assets in the world have lost more than half of their value just this year. And cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are notorious for their wild volatility. Since January, the industry has also experienced billions of dollars lost in hacks and cyber attacks, as well as multiple high profile bankruptcies. So, crypto hackers actually set a record this year, stealing over $3 billion. And just this month of October, $718 million has been taken alone. So it actually makes a lot of sense why majority of consumers are a bit hesitant to get involved in the space. But according to Jorn Lambert, who is the chief digital officer of MasterCard, there is still a demand for this asset class, but almost 60% of respondents said that they would prefer to test the waters with their current bank rather than to test something new out. For some people, all of this still sounds a bit scary and a little bit shaky and uncertain. And despite having dedicated crypto teams, major investment banks such as Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, and JP Morgan have mainly avoided making cryptocurrency available to customers. Just last week, Jamie Dimon, CEO of JP Morgan Chase, referred to cryptocurrencies as quote unquote decentralized Ponzi's. If banks do adapt this MasterCard collaboration model, Coinbase and other American exchanges may face a bit more competition. MasterCard claimed that by sticking to crypto compliance guidelines, confirming transactions, and offering anti money laundering and identity monitoring services, it can help keep banks in compliance with regulations. MasterCard plans to test this product out in the first quarter of next year, 2023, and if successful, they also plan to expand internationally and scale this product at a much larger rate. Although the sector is currently experiencing a severe bear market, or as some say, a crypto winter, Lambert stated that in the future, increased activity in this space may result in more transactions, which would in turn support MasterCard's main business. He also mentioned that it would be naive to imagine that a little bit of a crypto winter signals the end of it all entirely. As regulation approaches, a higher level of security will be provided to crypto platforms, and we'll see a lot of existing difficulties get handled in these upcoming quarters during the next few years. So Visa and MasterCard have both engaged in a crypto partnership spree as of late. For NFTs, MasterCard has previously partnered with Coinbase, enabling banks and merchants inside of its network to provide services linked to cryptocurrencies. And then, as of last week, Visa is planning to offer debit cards in 40 countries, and they are teaming up with the platform FTX to do so, which I did make a video about that you can check out in the top right corner. Visa currently has more than 70 crypto partnerships, according to American Express. Using stablecoins tied to the value of the dollar or another fiat currency with its cards and network is something that the company is considering. So we have Visa, we have Mastercard, and we have American Express starting to get interested as well. Ironically, though, the entire purpose of cryptocurrencies to start out was to replace banks and middlemen such as Mastercard or Visa. A blockchain, which is the underlying technology of crypto, enables transactions to take place without middlemen. However, Lambert claimed that there hasn't been any opposition from the sector to their involvement in the space. Crypto is still on the edge of becoming fully mainstream, but to fully get there, it still needs to work with the already established players in the field. So it looks like they're going to have to use the help of banks. And considering the fact that this crypto winter has been pretty severe, a lot of people have been getting liquidated badly. A lot of firms are going bankrupt. So who better than the banks than to come in and scoop all of it up and act as sort of a savior? But you can't come in and save the world, so to speak, without getting something in return for it. So we're seeing a lot more banks get involved in the space and get their hands dirty. But that's gonna wrap this one up. Pretty short one. I hope you did enjoy, find some value out of this. Be sure to drop a comment what you think about it. Also, be sure to leave a like and be sure to subscribe too for more information.